How to create image gallery in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create image gallery like this in your Shopify store. So we're gonna use app called Section Store. I have put the link in the description. You can just click on it. So as you can see, they have a good reviews and good ratings, and also it's free to install. You can also read the reviews here. It's very good. And now you can just click install here. I have installed it, so I can just click open. After that, you will be in this page, the section store page. So you can just click explore all section here. And then in the search box, you can search image gallery. And then you will find some option here. So we're going to use the free one. This one, you can click on it. And as you can see, this is the preview. So they have three option here. So you can just click get free section, and after that you can just click add to theme here and choose your live theme, and then it's successfully installed. Now you can just click customize in and then choose again your live theme. After that you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the image gallery here, so I'm gonna click add section here in the template page, and then click add section, and you can search gallery, and you will find section store gallery 1. You can click on it, and it's added to your website editor. So now you can just customize it. You can change the heading, and then also you can choose the font size more in mobile and other stuff like this, the alignment if you want, and then the alignment in the mobile, and then you can customize the subheading and other stuff here, and also you can just upload the image, and you can try explore and experiment with this. You can change the section color also. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.